What's going on, guys? Welcome to vacation. And actually, what we do, welcome to the drone show, but now it's welcome to the drone show Edgework Studio. That's why I decided to go ahead and name the channel. A lot of people have asked me that in the past. I decided that was the name to settle on, was Edgework Studio. I think that kind of gets the point that we're doing knife work here. Tell me what you guys think of that name change. If you hate it, if you like it, let me know. I've been trying to think of a name for a while now, and that's something I settled on as of today, or actually last night I thought of it. I'm sorry, I thought it was today. A lot of like lack of sleep here still, but yeah, tell me what you think. Edgeworks Studio. So just a reminder real quick in the beginning that we are doing the drawing on Wednesday for the Whetstone and a knife. All you have to do is be a subscriber of the channel and comment on a video either today or up to 2 weeks ago. So that's when we started the new giveaway. So we are here in the good old Airbnb. And one of the things we're going to do today is we're going to take this knife, which is an Airbnb knife. And as we all know, if we've been to an Airbnb, pretty much all the knives that you get while you're at that Airbnb are not very good. They did have others here, which I wasn't about to try and sharpen because they're serrated. This is not a GoPro, by the way, guys, and the audio is probably awful. I do apologize for that and the angles. I don't have my GoPro. I forgot to bring it. I forgot to bring my microphones. I'm just hoping that this holds up well enough to not annoy you. It also has an autofocus that I'm going to use, and I hope it stays in focus properly. I did bring the Nawa 400 grit here, but I did not think that I needed it for this knife. I'm going to go ahead and set you guys down, and I'm hoping here that we are going to be in a well enough focus that we're not going to have to worry about anything here. If it does zoom around and stuff, I do apologize. I am sorry. So I've just got my Shapton Kuromaku 1000 grit, and I think that's all I'm going to need. And I got my little strop over here. So with that, I'm going to go ahead and get started. It's going to be kind of a quick one today, guys, because of the situation, where we are, what we're doing and stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and get the stone wet here, and we'll go ahead and proceed. I don't think there's any other announcements. Oh, there is actually. While I'm doing this, I'll go ahead and we'll talk about it. So I was, as of yesterday, also, which is one of the reasons I decided to change the channel name, accepted into the YouTube Partner Program. Now, that is not the I get money for ads yet. I'm in the early stages. So this is the one where you can do super chats, or you can do like memberships, right? Super chats, if any of you aren't familiar with those, which I'm pretty sure you guys are, but those that may not be, what a super chat means is you can like give a monetary value and attach it to a comment, and it gets highlighted. And then of course the memberships are just a monthly membership that helps support the channel. Now, I am in no way asking anyone to do that. I'm just letting you know that that's where I'm at with this level of the YouTube Partner Program. So what happens is once I get 1,000 subscribers, and once I get 4,000 hours of view time in a 365-day term, then I get the next level of the YouTube Partner Program, and that is where you get ad revenue. So I still do not get ad revenue as of this moment. So that can change, you know. But like I said, you gotta get the view time and 1,000 subscribers. The other thing that you can do to get those milestones is an OR, which would be 3 million views, I believe, or 10 million views on YouTube Shorts. They're very serious about those. I guess it's probably because so many people scroll shorts and stuff. So anyway, So about this knife here, this is a German steel, one of my favorites actually. I couldn't believe it. Whenever I looked it up, anyway, it said that it is the X50 CR MOV 15, which is the same as the DIN 1.4116. Great steel, holds a decent edge. So whoever gets to use this after I'm gone is going to be thanking me, even though they don't know it's me. Oh, this is insane. So I went to this gun store earlier today, and a guy, he asked me, he goes, "Aren't you that guy that sharpens knives on YouTube?" And I said, "I mean, I guess." And he pulled up a video of me. And I was like, "What?" I don't know, like, if he just happened upon me or whatever, but anyway, he recognized me. That's weird. I'm like 900 and something subscribers. I didn't expect to ever run into anybody besides you guys, you know, maybe, that I know very well that would recognize me, but that's so crazy. So if you're watching, dude, hello, and thanks for making me feel special today, man. Oh, man. We've got a burr already, so I'm going to go ahead and just do some long strokes here, and then we're going to move to the other side. How's you guys' Memorial Day weekend so far? I hope it's been well. And I apologize if I'm not talking loud enough. I'm used to having the microphone on my chest, my Rode microphones, so it's very possible I may sound echoed or distant. And again, please, if you're a first-time viewer, this is not my norm for these videos. I at least have decent audio quality and decent video quality. So if this isn't, like I said, an autofocus, as you can see now, it's probably zooming back and forth to try and catch up with what I'm doing. And I'm hoping that on this side, or at least while I was even on that side, that it is going to focus properly. But we'll see. And again, there's a good chance that if it doesn't, I may not post this. I may post you guys one up when I get back tomorrow. So today is Sunday, though. Ooh, I've gotten some really good rest and relaxation, some downtime that I've definitely needed. All right, now we'll go ahead and work on that. It's been nice. I got Dad some home health services, so I didn't just abandon my dad, guys, just in case you're wondering about that. And Mom is in a rehab facility, so that's also awesome. I thought wetting this towel would have kept this from moving, but I guess not. I'm not really used to not using a sink bridge. I guess I'm spoiled, guys. Even like my first days, I built a tub, kind of like the one that you see I have now, you know, in my other videos, not this one clearly. I built something to hold the stones, and anyway, I'm just spoiled, guys. As far as this whole YouTube partner program thing goes, I want you guys to know that I recognize and I know I could not have done this without you. This is not something I would have if it was not for you guys that support me, and I really thank you. You have no idea. And I know I say that all the time, but I really, really mean it. Rolling this with this curved tip area here. Now we're on the straights. I barbecued pretty much the entire time we were here. We did not go out to eat, not once. Saved a boatload of money that way. Travel is already expensive enough. Whenever you throw in like food, man, that's just insanely expensive. All right, are we good? There we go. Excellent burr. top to bottom, baby. All right. Let's go ahead and do our deburring strokes. Make sure we're still recording. Good deal. Yeah, I really do want to know what you guys are doing for Memorial Day. I'm very curious. And to those that served, that watch my channel, I salute you. And I thank you for your service. I always do. My wife, she actually supports veterans in her job. That's what she does. So she gets to thank them every day. My dad is a veteran. He was in Vietnam. But yeah, all those soldiers, young and old, I thank all of you. I have freedom because you protected it. So thank you guys so much. Okay, we're almost there. Alright, I'll probably do some actual stropping strokes. Yeah, you know, with the whole YouTube partner program thing, you guys getting me there. It's one of the reasons why, and you've heard me say this before, most of you, it's one of the reasons why I give back all the time with the drawings and the giveaways and trying to find, you know, great deals. And by the way, that's really sharp. I'm going to go ahead and strop this while we're talking here. But that looks good. I don't have my microscope, so I can't look at it, but it feels great. But yeah, one of the reasons why I find those deals and give stuff away is because you guys, I mean, you're making this possible for me. So, not getting all sappy, I'm just telling you that I really appreciate you guys. You'll probably not find anybody more so than myself that appreciates all of his viewers. I don't care if I've got 3 viewers or subscribers or if I've got 3 million. I'm going to appreciate each and every one of you. It's going to get a whole lot longer saying thank you to 3 million, but I will do the best I can. That's whenever I'll just start throwing like barbecue parties for all of us, right? We'll meet up in a place where we can all barbecue and cook and have games and stuff. That could be fun. Just a couple strokes more. All right. Moment of truth here. This AirBnB monstrosity, just because it's used and abused, right? Oh, ho, 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 ho. Wow. So it's kind of thick paper, but I mean, it pushes. I'm trying to do it at a weird angle here. So yeah, what an amazing job. This thing was dull. Like, it was a butter knife before. Look at that. Oh. I mean, that thing is sharp as can be. It's definitely sharper than it was. That I can promise you. Anyway, so without further ado, I appreciate you guys so very much. Thanks for tuning in. Again, I couldn't do this without you. I'm going to say it a million times. You're going to get tired of hearing it, and I apologize. And again, I apologize for the audio quality. There's nothing I could do. That's my fault for forgetting my equipment, but I'll remember for next time. But that's why I wanted to keep it short so it's not so annoying. And just to say thank you, remember to leave a comment down below and be a subscriber of the channel if you're not already, and that will get you entered in the drawing. It's free. The only thing you'll have to give me is your address if you win. You get free stuff, good stuff. So I hope you guys have a great Memorial Day weekend. Hope everybody rests and relaxes and has excellent barbecue. Again, I thank you to the soldiers that protected our freedom and gave us the freedom that we do have. You guys are the best. So until Wednesday, and I may do a sneak video, just depends on if this one item comes. If not, I'll see you guys Wednesday. Until then, peace.